For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
With brilliant innings from an in-form Gaikwad and Ravindra Jadeja, Chennai Super Kings breezed past Kolkata Knight Riders by 6 wickets. CSK won match 49 at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Needing to chase a target of 173, Chennai Super Kings came in all guns blazing, with the duo of Raturaj Gaikwad and Shane Watson scoring 44 runs in the power play. In the 8th over, the duo completed a 50-run stand, but the partnership was soon broken by Varun Chakravarti after he dismissed Shane Watson. With the introduction of Nitish Rana in the 10th over and the brilliance of Ambati Rayudu, CSK managed to push past 70. Gaikwad scored his second successive half-century as CSK crossed the target of 100 runs. KKR's Cummins picked up his second wicket after he dismissed the in-form Gaikwad for 72. The match turned dramatic as CSK needed 30 runs from 12 deliveries to seal the victory. In came Ravindra Jadeja, who hit 2 fours and a 6 in the 19th over as CSK managed to score 20 runs in the penultimate over. With 7 needed from the last 2 deliveries, Jadeja scored 2 sixes as CSK sealed a stunning win. The best batsman of the game was indeed Gaikwad with his brilliant 72 runs of 53 deliveries. Raturaj Gaikwad amassed 72 runs in just 53 deliveries against KKR in Dubai. The batsman smashed 6 boundaries and 2 sixes while he registered a brilliant strike rate of over 135. Batting first, Nitish Rana and Shubman Gill made a great start as the duo completed a 50-run stand for the opening wicket. CSK picked 2 wickets in quick succession as Karan Sharma and Mitchell Santer dismissed Shubman Gill and Sunil Narine. Spinners continued to be the key for CSK as Ravindra Jadeja dismissed Rinku Singh in the 13th over. Dinesh Karthik hit 2 fours in the first 4 balls he faced. The duo of Karthik and Morgan hit a 4 each in the penultimate over, eventually posting a target of 173. Lungi Nigiri was the top pick from the bowlers as he picked up 2 crucial wickets. In his quota of 4 overs, Lungi Nigiri bagged 2 wickets and gave 34 runs against KKR in Dubai. The pacer registered an economy rate of just over 8 runs an over. CSK skipper MS Dhoni was elated with the team's performance. I think it was one game in which the climax went in our favour. A lot of credit to the guys. This season Jadeja has been fantastic. He has been the only one in our team who has scored in the death overs. He needed somebody else and that would have been good for us. We want to give games to people who haven't played. Raturaj has shown the talent he has. He came in and got positive with COVID. We didn't have much time to have a look at him. He is one of the talented youngsters going around. We are not in a position to qualify for the next stage, but we have had a glimpse of people who can play for us in the coming seasons. Although CSK won the game, the team are out of the 2020 season of the IPL. KKR, on the other hand, will bank on a Kings XI Punjab defeat in order to qualify for the playoffs.